Hello everybody, it's Tom. Me and my son went on a canoe trip last week, and it was a 10-mile trip, and we seen several dumps and stuff along the way, so we stopped and got a few things, but I drove here and I came back and wanted to just show you where I'm at. I mean, this is the river right here. I'm on the edge. I got my waders on because I had to come through the water. There's houses all up here, but you know, see this bank goes up about 30 feet. Like an old rundown shed or something there, but yeah, I'm way down here. The dump is about in these rocks right here, all along here, and goes down to like these grapevines, but you can see there's a bed frame, there's an old porcelain tub, and I've only been here about 10 minutes, but these things I dug out I wanted to show you, and then I got a spot a little bit down I'm gonna scratch and hopefully find something live for you. First of all, I found this the J.R. Watkins. I'm trying to focus on it. J.R. Watkins Company. This one says regular U.S. pat off. I believe this is older than all the other ones I found. The writing and everything's different. It's a cork top. The seam doesn't go all the way up, so like I said in my other videos, if you watched, still learning about, applied tops and all that. Talking kind of quiet because there's houses right up the top of the hill. We got that in a little clover leaf pint milk bottle. It's a cool old ashtray. I'll clean it up. I believe it's copper. It's real flexible. And there's green on it, so yeah, I got that. Clean that up. This little cork top bottle. It's got the diamond in the 8. It's kind of like aqua green. I'm not sure what it would have been. Little Cheeseboro. Manufacturing Company, New York. And then, I don't know if it'll flip over. Got this little, I'm not sure, something Stearns Jubilee, something Australia. It's got a little kangaroo, like a little pendant, really neat. Okay, I got this little makeup compact. Not sure what it. The sun's so hot, I'm sweating my butt off again. Maybe it's palm pale. I don't know, bloom or something like that. Pomperin bloom. It's a little compact. I'll clean that up. A lot of this stuff I'm going to be able to clean up right here because I'm only, this far from the water, and it's not that deep. It's only about 4 feet, but every time we get a good rain, the water, washes all this stuff down. Oh, that's just a blue Vicks, but I got this awesome. I was excited when I pulled this out. Jumbo brand peanut butter. The Frank Tea and Spice Company. I believe it says Cincinnati, Ohio. This has the O. And then it says, if you like Jumbo Tell, I can't read the bottom that good. Miss More Friends or Mr. Friends or something now. It's got spiral all around it. It's really neat. It's pretty old. And I got this, it's a rain gauge. This part where my thumb is the glass. Got the hole that was full of dirt. It's pretty rusty with that. I'll clean it up. There's still some writing on it, but and it says rain gauge, Oldsmobile, sales service, genuine parts, quality tested used cars. Like I said, I'll clean all this stuff up and I'll show you. Okay, I'm gonna head down here. I got a few more things, a couple big jars. I'm gonna probably be a couple videos of me digging. As you can see, I'm right here in this dump. Just goes there. There's an old porcelain tub, glass, pottery, everything all over. I don't know where I left my scratch at. Shoot. Hope it didn't fall in the water. Oh, there it is. Need a new one. I mean, it's an old one. It's the old antique style, but I like it a lot better. I'm gonna get right in here. This bank of the river is so steep. I've seen some things in here, so I thought I would dig in here a little bit, see. There's tons of broken stuff because they threw big pieces of cement and asphalt all over, so it probably broke most of it, but hopefully I'll find something. Here's a little. I don't think it has no writing on it. But I have a couple of these. I'm not sure what they are. I'll keep it and clean it up. Just see something else right here. Oh, there's so much stuff in here. Looks to be a canning jar. Oh. It's really old. Got a weird. I don't know what kind of top that is. Probably keep that. Okay. I'm so full of sweat. Seems like every time I go digging, it gets hotter than hell out. Oh, I want the jar that I just pulled out. I hope people can't hear me up there. I mean, I'm not on their property because anybody can be on the banks of the river. My parents live on the river and the hunters always walk along the back and everything, and you have like 10 feet or so that really isn't actually yours. I think this stuff in here is all going to be broke because there's cement just thrown in here. Let's see. I'm about ready to fall back. I hope the cement don't fall on me. I'm not sure. It says something on the bottom. Sorry, moving the camera. White House vinegar. That's neat. I don't have nothing like that. It's still got the cap on it. Looks like the vinegar's still in it. I'll keep that. Yeah, I think I seen something else in there. Oh, there's something right there. And it's embossed, I'm not sure what it's gonna be. You know, it's really worth it. Sweating your ass off out here getting dirty, walking through the river to find these bottles. Here it comes. Oh, it's whole. Cork top. Clean it off. Right by the water. I wish it was just a hair closer. Castoria Chaz H. Fletcher. Awesome. Get the stuff out. That's a keeper. I've got tons of these little embossed bottles that I find. Now I'm realizing stuff that I find is actually older than, you know, I thought it was, watching your guys' videos and that. But glad I got these waders on because I'll be full of this mud dirt. Well, that's a weird bottle. Kind of looks like an old baby food bottle, but it's got a really weird top on it. Screw top, but it's a keeper. I'm going to end this video and try to clear a little bit of stuff out. Hopefully I can find some things to get live, so catch you in a few minutes. Bye.